Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to be a creator on Spotify. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, search for a Spotify artist. So in order to be a creator on Spotify, you need to make the Spotify artist account. So head over to this first link. Once you're in the Spotify for Artists webpage, you can see the three lines icon at the top right corner, tap on it. And at the bottom, you can see the get access option, tap on it. If you already have created your account, you can log in. If you are new to this, here you can see two different options, one for artist or manager and another for label team member. So in this case, to be a creator, you need to create an artist account. So select this artist or manager option. You need to choose this music not yet live on Spotify option over here. Tap on it. Here you can see different instructions in order to create your creator's account. And here it says you need to work with the distributors in order to be an artist. So tap on this link over here. In this page, you can find different artist distributors that you can collab with. These are recommended by the Spotify itself. So you can check out which one do you like. So you can select your desired distributor. Once you tap on it, you have to sign up for an account in this distributor's page. You can give your email, your password, and reconfirm your password in order to create a new account in this distributor's page. And after that, you can tap on sign up and follow along the process. So that's it. That's how you can easily be a creator on Spotify. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.